Hey guys, Queen Esther here. Welcome back to my channel. Today on the recipe, I will make an avocado salad. I grew up on this. They are super delicious and healthy. So if you are interested to learn how I specifically make my own, stay tuned. And if you are new here, please don't let it be the last time. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you are notified each time I post a new recipe. So here's what I will need for this delicious meal. It's quick and easy. I will need avocado. I will need 1 tomato. All right. I will need a quarter of onion. You can use as much or as little as you want. And I will also use 2 eggs and 1 Maggi cube. Although as you see 2 here, I will only use 1 for this recipe, and extra virgin olive oil. Use any oil of your choice. So all I'm doing right now, I will simply cut the tomato. I remove the seed from the tomato because I just don't like it in my avocado, and I will cut the tomatoes in cubes as well as the onion. I will then transfer all of it in the bowl. See me do it just now, and we proceed to the next step. I will then proceed to my avocado when everything is ready. Cut it in half, remove the seed, and then I will cut them in cubes just like this. Once I transfer the avocado in the bowl, I will then proceed with my egg, cut them in cubes as well, just like I'm doing, and I will then add my seasoning, then my olive oil. Y'all, when I tell you this is simple, it is so simple, but it is so delicious. You are going to thank me. Make sure you do this now, and do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe if you are new here, and please comment subscribe down below so I can personally come and welcome you to the royal family. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just adding my olive oil, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Use any oil of your choice, and then just mixing it up, and we are ready to eat this delicious meal. Yo, this is so delicious. This is the finished starch. Make sure you make this and comment below after you do so. Say, Queen Esther, I did it. It was so awesome. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I appreciate your support. Until I come your way next time. Au revoir. Salut.